Hi, this is Ritu. Topic of presentation is work management tool. We are team of 7 members. Applications, technologies, tools and integrations used in this application is Jira, QuickBase, Outlook, Slack and Alexa. Let's have a look at its integration diagram. To start with, we need to create a task in Jira which will flow to QuickBase using pipeline integration, and all the status updates in QuickBase will flow back to Jira. We are using Slack integration for task related details, checking task status and agent login status using pipeline integration. It has features to do meeting setup for task related queries from QuickBase using Outlook integration via MS Teams. Also, this is extended further for task status related check via Alexa integration. Start with Jira integration. So we will log into Jira application. We will enter to the project. We are trying to create a task here. So we are going to create a task here. Create. So the task gets created with the name demo task for presentation. We can see the task is created in the task table with the status ID, status and the Jira ID. So this is the task created by using pipelines running in background. After the task creation, the auto assignment will kick off and it will assign the ticket to the available logged in resource who has a capacity, and it will change the status from new to assigned. Now the task is in assigned status. We have integrated the Slack into QB using pipeline to establish a chat functionality for the task whenever it is required in the Slack channel. So to see this, we will pick the task ID 34 and you can see that we have the initiate chat. To chat, I will pass please share details. Save and close. Now to see this, we will go to the Slack channel task queries and you can see the details here. Response, please find details and post it here. Now you will see that this task will be there in the Slack conversation. See. Another integration with Slack using pipeline will act like a chat bot. So when we type ticket hash ID in the QuickBase integration channel, it will fetch the status of the particular task and post in the same channel. So to set up a meeting without going into Outlook to do. There is a button available in each task. So let's get inside the task. Label meeting setup. We click on this. We fill the information. We fill all these information. We enter the user with whom we want to set up a meeting and click save and close. It will take us to this view. Now we need to click on generate invite. It generated successfully, and then now we can see that it created the link, meeting invite link, and we can also check here the mail from Lokesh. Integration with Alexa. Alexa ask QuickBase status.
Welcome to QuickBase Status app. You can say check my status on login tickets. Which would you like to try out?
Check my status 21. We have detailed executive dashboard view in the applications related to supervisor and processor roles. Supervisor executive dashboard have the reports related to team tasks, overall quarterly task, average handling time of the task, Kanban reports on the task, and reports related to productivity as well. Processor executive dashboard have the reports related to daily work assigned to the processor, especially in the Kanban view, table view and pie chart view as visible here. That's all about this presentation. Thanks a lot.